Hello everyone, so welcome back again. So welcome to the new lab of Microsoft Excel. So in our previous video we have seen that how to add the numbers present in multiple cells in vertical direction. Okay, similarly you can do the same thing in horizontal direction also. Suppose if I write 30, if I write here 10, or if I write here let's say 60 or 50, and if I want to add here, let's say I can simply press equal to followed by sum function and select the region, close the bracket and hit enter. I'll get the same result. Similarly, if I change to 10, I get the same result. I get the desired result exactly. This is 50 plus 30, that is 80, 90 and 100. Okay, so we have already seen how to add numbers in vertical as well as horizontal direction. Okay, so it is not fixed. The specialty of Excel is not confined to this two direction only. It can be done from anywhere. Like suppose if I'm writing here one number here, one number here, then one number here, then one number here, again one number here, another number here, let's say 20, another number let's say here, one number here. Okay, now suppose if I want to add the addition of all these numbers. Okay, so the process is the same as that one. You see, if I press equal to, then write the sum function, start my bracket and select the region and close the bracket and press enter. You see, you'll get the answer. So if you click here and in the formula bar, you'll get this region. So let's check the answer. That is 10, 20, that is 30, 70, 100, 140, 180, 190 and 30, that is 220. That is 70, 30, 100, 180, 180 plus 10, 190 and 30, that is 220. So in this way we can add any number of cells in n directions. So you see the specialty of Excel. We'll see some more feature in the next video. So practice at your home, and if you have any doubt, let me see in the comment section. So thank you very much.